Alright, pieces are in. I've cut these so they fit. This is the dimension that I was trying to shoot for. This little filler piece. So it just fits both sides. Just fits. Now the moment of truth. Fitting these is always a little bit tricky at first until we get all aligned and situated. Oh, good. Good. So I don't have any movement laterally. The fit is a little bit tight on one side here, but for the most part this drawer is able to run freely. I don't have any binding on the top or the bottom of the drawer. That's kind of where we're talking about leaving a small gap between this top apron and the lower stretcher below the drawer. And it's only stopping because the length of this drawer is too long to one side. It looks like it will slip right in there, but I'll have to trim that side down as well. These I can raise and lower. I'm going to screw them in from the sides, as I said, both above this little runner and below. I'll probably use 4 screws per side, and that should give me adequate structure there. But now we have a drawer in place. Hopefully that was helpful as well. Next we're going to talk about creating a drawer bottom for this and then attaching tabletops. Thanks.